guys, hope you are doing amazing. So I'm filming in a different setup, as you can tell by the background. I'm filming in a different place, I'm filming in a different setup because this is just an impromptu video. I have zero makeup on, I have just my brows and a lipstick. Brows I do because without brows I look bald. Even I'm filming with a different camera. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I get this question a lot. A lot of you guys ask me how I have transformed my skin, because those of you who have been following me for 4 years, 5 years, more than that, have seen a tremendous and drastic change in my skin's overall texture, tone, evenness, smoothness, everything. I always wanted to make a video on my skincare journey and what products actually helped in achieving a smoother, even looking skin. I thought let's sit down and do this video because it's been long pending. I came across two products and I'm really grateful to Suganda. This video is not sponsored, and none of the brands I'm going to mention here have sponsored this video or influenced my opinion, or I'm not going to get any commission out of the sales if you guys decide to buy anything. Suganda is a new brand. It's not exactly new, it must be around 1.5 2 years old, or maybe more than that. So she reached out to me in 2019, early 2019 or late 2018, and she wanted to send me her AHA serum. So she sent me her lactic acid serum, which was 10% lactic acid, and then she also sent me her antioxidant serum, which is a vitamin C. But vitamin C serum I was already using. The first vitamin C I used and it really improved my skin was from Skindeva. It's no longer available in India, but that vitamin C serum definitely made so much improvement in my overall skin's texture and tone. I really loved it and how it brightened my skin. Then Suganda sent me her antioxidant serum, Bindu, sorry, the owner's name is Bindu, the brand name is Suganda. So she sent me her antioxidant serum and I started using it along with the AHA. I used antioxidant in the morning, AHA in the night, and it transformed my skin, I'll be honest. So why vitamin C serum? Why should you use vitamin C serum? See, vitamin C serum is amazing if you struggle with uneven skin tone, if you struggle with dullness, if you have fine lines. These three things will easily be handled by vitamin C serum. You just have to find a really good one. There are a lot of vitamin C forms. The most famous is L-ascorbic acid. Then you have ethyl ascorbic acid, which is I think the most commonly found form of vitamin C. So I was using one from Skindeva, which was really good. Then I started using Suganda's antioxidant serum. It's really good. Then I've also used Klairs serum. Klairs vitamin C, freshly juiced vitamin C. It's also good, but the only challenge is that the bottle is non-tinted, and you know the basic issue with vitamin C is that it gets oxidized really quickly. So you have to make sure that you are storing it in a cool, dark and cool place, because the oxidization process will become slower. You can use vitamin C twice daily, like in the morning and in the night. It's perfectly fine. It's such a potent ingredient that anyone's and everyone's skin can get benefited from. My skin is very sensitive, but I've never faced any issues while using a vitamin C serum. Mostly my skin behaves very well and the vitamin C serum performs really well. If you're new to vitamin C, or if you're new to any particular active, just make sure to patch test it before putting it directly on your face, because you do not know how it is going to react to your skin, or how your skin is going to react to it. So this is the first serum that I started using, the vitamin C serum, and it has done wonders. I'm still using one. Right now I'm using one from Klairs. I will use it for 1 month and then I'll share my before and after or my exact thoughts on it. If you are using active, then use it in the morning. Next ingredient or next skincare ingredient that actually changed my skincare game was the lactic acid serum from Suganda. So far I have used only two brands. One is Ordinary, one is Suganda. And in Suganda I've always used their AHA 10% lactic acid. What a chemical exfoliator does, it exfoliates your skin. What it does, it loosens the bond between your healthy skin and your dead skin cells, and just gently exfoliates them, revealing radiant, smoother, brighter skin beneath. It also hydrates your skin. It evens out your skin tone. So if you struggle with patchy skin, if you struggle with uneven patches on your skin, some people have pigmentation here, some people have pigmentation here. Even I had pigmentation on this area and this area, a lot of pigmentation. It also works on the texture. If you have bumpy skin, if you have dry patches, it's going to work on that as well. Lactic acid or AHAs also work on fine lines and wrinkles, so it is not going to work miraculously overnight if you're using something like 5% to 10% lactic acid, but you have to give yourself some time. I think within 2 weeks time you will see a huge improvement in your overall skin texture. So lactic acid is more suitable for people with sensitive skin. If you over exfoliate, it will become very sensitive and anything and everything will start burning your skin. If you are starting acids in your skincare, make sure you have read really well, you have read thoroughly, you know what you are using, you know why you are using it. Just do not watch a video of me or any other influencer and just start with your acid skincare routine. If you have uneven skin tone, if you have pigmentation, if you have dry patches, if you have a textured skin, only then use acids. Otherwise there is no requirement as such. I don't think so. If you are young, just following a simple skincare routine with really good ingredients, with really good skincare products is going to help you a lot. I am no longer using lactic acid. I think for the past 8 months I have taken a break. Right now everyone is talking about AHAs, BHAs. A lot of brands are coming up with a lot of AHAs products, but make sure you are buying it only after thorough search. Because you know your skin better than anyone else. If you think that you definitely need an AHA in your routine, look for credible source of information. Do your research and then decide whether you really need acids in the skincare or not. They are definitely helpful. They definitely change the game. Yeah, I think that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe. And I'll see you very, very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.